Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Umar from Triple E third year bringing rule number 17. Today I am going to discuss about the topic geothermal energy. Actually, what is geothermal energy? Geothermal energy is a thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. Thermal energy is the energy that determines the temperature of matter. The geothermal energy of the earth crust originates from the original formation. Geothermal energy is heat derived within the subsurface of the earth. Water or steam carry the geothermal energy to the earth surface. Depending on its characteristics, geothermal energy can be used for heating and cooling purpose or be generated clean electricity. However, for electricity generation, high or medium temperature resources are needed, which are usually located close to technologically active region. Then next, outlines of geothermal energy. Introduction, geothermal reservoirs, extraction and uses of geothermal energy, electricity generation, cost, geothermal energy in India, conclusion. Then next, introduction. What is mean about of geothermal energy? This key renewable source covers significant share of electricity depending upon the energies. The water are generated in the water region. It's simply the heat energy of earth generated by various natural resources. We can see here geothermal geothermal reservoirs. Reservoirs can be suspected in the areas where we found geysers, boiling mud, pot, volcano, springs. What is geothermal reservoirs? The rising hot water and steam is trapped in permeable and porous rocks to form a geothermal reservoir. Reservoirs can be discovered by testing the soil, analyzing underground temperature. Then, extraction and uses. The heat energy can be brought to earth by following ways. First one is directly from hot. Second one is geothermal heat pump. Uses of geothermal energy: direct use, indirect use. Then next, direct use of geothermal energy: provide heat of buildings, hot springs, or heating water at fish farms. Then next, indirect use of geothermal energy: electricity generation. The main three types of electricity generation of geothermal energy. First one is dry steam power plant. Second one is flash steam power plant. Third one is binary circle power plant. Then next, how it is working we can see here. We can generated a generator and with connected turbine in the well underground condenser. The steam geothermal energy is generated. Then dry steam power plant, we explain that about the dry steam power plant. The oldest type of geothermal power plant use geothermal reservoir containing pure steam is required. Pure dry steam drive turbine, very rare type of geothermal power plant. Then next, flash steam power plant. We can see here condenser is connected in the waste brine in the underground induction well, which connected steam turbine into the generating facility. We can we can generate a geothermal energy also. How it is work we can see here. Commonly used geothermal power plant. Geothermal reservoirs containing both hot water and steam is required. Pressure changing system is required. Then next, binary circle power plant. It is the good method to generate the geothermal energy. We can see here we are generated a energy with the help of heat exchanger method. Then next, explaining about the binary circle power plant does not use steam directly to spin turbines. Only the heat of the underground water is used. Vaporized hydrocarbons are used to spin the turbine. Hydrocarbons having a low boiling point such as isobutane, isobutene and propene can be used. No harmful gas is emitted to the atmosphere because the underground water is never disclosed to output site. Then hot water turbine work and generator in the geothermal energy. How it is cost? Direct use of geothermal energy is absolutely cheaper than other energy source. Cost of electricity generation depending upon the certain factors. There are four major types of cost of geothermal energy. First one is temperature, second one is type of resource, third one is available volume of resource, fourth one is size and technology of plant. Then next, geothermal energy is are using in the above states we can see here. Then next, geothermal energy in India. Geothermal provinces are estimated to provide 10,600 megawatts of power. Experts are confident only to the extent of 100 megawatts. Then next, advantages of geothermal energy. Available all the year around, does not involve any combustion of fuel, independent of weather, clean resource, very little emission or overall environmental impact. Overall, geothermal energy is a sustained resource. Geothermal energy is thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. Geothermal energy is the energy that determines the temperature of matter. The geothermal energy of the earth crust originate from the originated formation. Then what is the disadvantages of geothermal energy? Earthquakes, trans- transportation may release harmful gases, high installation costs. Conclusion: geothermal heating system can replace fossil fuel heating system in a particular area. Annual cost for common heating purpose can be reduced by more than 60%. Continued energy shortage have created added interest in geothermal energy for power generation. Geothermal energy appears to be partial solution to our energy needs. Thank you. Thank you very much.